This year, as I walked through the RSA conference, Expo Hall, it was very interesting how everyone seemed to be in this gold rush mentality of showing that whatever their solution was, they're the right fit for AI today. So they could be a network security vendor, but they're helping you with AI, right? Or they're a application development security team, and they're gonna help you with AI. So everyone is focused on that, hyper-focused. I think we all agree that in 3 years, the show floor is gonna be completely different. So it is real that we will see massive amounts of, whether you wanna call it vibe coding cloning, right? Where someone takes an idea, essentially vibe code something together that's good enough, and they bring that to market at a fraction of the cost of whatever the existing incumbent solution is. So I think number one, we need to walk away with that, is that there will be a massive change in the technology ecosystem as the result of these rapid coding platforms that are out there. But number two, the security community relies on the relationships that we have with people to bring those solutions to bear. And so regardless of how many companies are on the show floor, people who deliver real solutions and build trust, that will be the foundation of business going forward.